Hello everybody and welcome to this course, Penetration Testing, Kali and more, all you need to know. The course objectives are as follow. You will learn how to do ethical hacking the simplified way. To go in this direction, we will learn some Linux basics at the first, and then we will discover more by learning more than 9 ways to perform LAN attacks. You will learn as well 2 smart techniques on how to crack wireless networks. You will actually perform mobile attack. We will learn 10 plus ways to hack into web applications. We will also learn some proven social engineering attacks, more than 5 attacks that actually work. You will obtain 20 plus skills that you need to become a good penetration tester. You will be able to make better decisions on how to protect your network, your application, and your IT infrastructure from external attacks. You will as well upgrade your information security skills if you're in this domain. And you will learn how to write a professional penetration testing report to present to your client. This course is for actually anyone who wants to learn how to secure their systems from hackers, anyone who wants to learn how do hackers work in the background, and anyone who's interested to becoming a penetration tester from scratch, from zero to hero. Here we mean that you don't need a prior experience in penetration testing or extensive security experience. You need actually the computer basics and some security literature. Take you through the whole program from A to Z with minimal background required. It's actually good for students as well, in computer science, computer security, and computer engineering students.